Hi, I'm Bob from Plastic Pipe Shop, and in this video we're going to have a look at why you would use unions in a pipe system. Now, a union is a three-part fitting. I'll just take this one off and show you. So a union is a three-part fitting. The first part is a section which has a fairly large thread on it, and it has an O-ring inside which makes the seal for you. On the other side of this one is a plain socket. The other half of the union is in two parts. We have a union nut which slides over a socketed section, and that then marries up onto the threaded section of the union. So the O-ring sits on this flat face here and gives you a nice seal. Why would we want to use a union? Well, unions are really good in systems for enabling you to take bits out quickly, service them or check them or even replace them and put bits back in again. It's especially important in process lines where the moment something goes wrong or the moment something needs changing, you always want to get the bits out as quickly as you can and get bits in as quickly as you can and not have to wait to cut pipe and to glue pipe at all. So, unions, for example, let's say we have a piece of equipment which is sitting here. I'm just representing it with a piece of pipe for now. And we want to take the piece of equipment out of service and check it. So we unscrew the union on one side, unscrew the union on the other side. We can take the piece of equipment out, we can check it, we can make sure that nothing's going wrong at all with it. Then we can very quickly put it back into service. We can line our unions up. These ERA unions are really good actually. They have really nice heavy threads on here rather than some unions that have really fine threads. So these ones, it's almost impossible to get any cross threading on them. So, and that's our thing back in service, and our pipeline can start running again. So imagine if that was a pump which had failed and you've got a replacement pump to go in the system. You can very quickly wire the pump in beside, and then you can take that pump out, put the other pump in, get the unions tightened up on it, hit the switch, and you're back in service again in your system, and your production managers, etc. will be really happy with you. Other parts it's used on, if you've got any sight glasses which need cleaning inside, again you can get them out, give them a quick clean, and you can stick them back in again. If you've got any filters like strainers, like these for example, these actually come with their own unions on, because it's so important that you can take them out and clean them so you can see what's going on inside them. So these have a union section which comes off the end here, and then you can just take that out as well. Any piece of equipment which might need any servicing at all needs to have unions either side. Any valve, ideally, if it's a small valve, should have unions either side. You only get unions up to 4 inches or 110 millimeters in size. Beyond that, people use flanges, and again, flanges have the same kind of thing. You bolt two flanges together, you can unbolt them and you can lift it out, so it operates in the same way as the union, but just for larger pipe sizes. If you've got any more questions about whether you should use unions or how to use unions, have a look on our website in the technical sections, or feel free to give us a call in the office, and I'm sure we'll be able to help you. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.